In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix Chat to your website. Adding Wix Chat to your site is quick, free, and a great way to make it easier for visitors to reach you in real time. Whether you want to answer questions, collect leads, or simply make your website feel more responsive, this tool can help you do that without a complicated setup. To begin, open your website in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Add Apps. This is where Wix lets you expand your website with extra features and tools. In the search bar, type Wix Chat, then select it from the results and click Add to Site. After that, give it a few seconds to load and install on your website. Once it appears, the chat widget will be placed directly onto your site so you can start customizing it. After the app has been added, you can control how it looks and how it behaves. Click on the chat box inside your editor. Then choose Settings. From there, explore the Design and Display tabs. This is where you can adjust the chat color so it matches your website branding. Choose the widget position such as the bottom right or bottom left corner, and upload a custom avatar or business logo. These small design changes can make the chat feel more professional and more consistent with the overall look of your site. You can also set up the pre-chat form, which is useful if you want to collect important visitor information before the conversation begins. To do this, go to your dashboard and open Chat Settings. In that section, you can decide what details visitors need to provide before sending a message, such as their name or contact information. This is especially helpful if you want to follow up with potential customers later. Another important feature is managing your chat hours. Inside the chat settings, you can define the times when you are available for live conversations. This helps set clear expectations for your visitors. If someone opens the chat while you're offline, the widget can automatically switch to an offline contact form, allowing them to leave their details and message so you can get back to them later. Once everything is set up, make sure to preview your site and check that the chat box looks right and works the way you want. That way, visitors will have a smooth experience from the start. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.